In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply filters on your search in the AutoUncle app. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoUncle app. On the bottom in the menu bar, you can see this home page icon, and next to it the search icon. You can select a brand. If it's not there, then tap on show all brands. Tap on what you selected. Select a model. Tap on OK on the bottom right. If you tap on a year, you have to select a year. Let's say you can select by writing the number, or just moving this thing. Okay. You can select the price. Let's say between 8,000, between 1,000 and 35,000 pounds. If you scroll down, you can select the location, the miles, what the car has, the fuel, gearbox, manual, body type, the doors, HP, equipment. You can select here. If you scroll down, you will have some more. Tap on OK. Then if you selected the seller, to have private or dealer, the car history, complete service history, and the color. And tap on this blue button, and there is one car which is applied to your filters. You can see here. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.